Alright, what is going on, guys? Rainx here. Dude, that thing is so loud with just like freaking that cat back. You hear that noise? I don't know, but I think they do have an exhaust leak because I hear rattling here. I hope it's just an exhaust leak. But guys, really quick, I want to say that I pretty much I am planning on getting wheels, but what's it called? I don't know what good fitment it is. So if I did read it on the forums, I am trying to go with the 18 times 10 and a half plus 22 ounces. I heard that's good for, I mean, stock height and stuff. But yeah, we'll see how that goes. But guys, that is not the point of the video today. As you guys can see, I do have a crack on my windshield, but I did buy Rainx windshield repair kit. This literally only costs like 10 bucks. So this is supposed to repair your crack on your windshield. So we'll see if it works, and if it works, I'll show you guys in the video. I saw how to do this, and I saw reviews, so should be ready to go. Look at that Supra. You're not gonna park kind of close to him. I'm gonna respect him. I'm not gonna park next to him. I'm not gonna park next to him because that's where all the Bamos park. And this is where all the nice cars park because, of course, no door ding squad. But yeah, look at Supra. Let me show you guys when I park. It's so beautiful. Look at this Supra, guys. Look at that. Oh, look, so there's a regular Lancer. Looks like a GTS though, because they got the wing. But look at the Supra, man. It got a backup camera. Yo, I'm trying to get a backup camera too, man. But I'm probably gonna have to get Best Buy to do it. But dang, beautiful Supra right here, guys. God, look at that big load. Look at me compare my load. That's beautiful, though. You get it like that. There you go. Maybe I can get a thumbnail like this. Hold on. Let me get the Rainx. Yeah, that's how you guys know I go off-roading, guys. It's like now, it rained and there was a little bit of mud. What time is it? Crap, I gotta get going, y'all. But let me take a thumbnail real quick with the Supra before it leaves. Thank you. Boom. If that's not a dope thumbnail, I don't know what it is. Alright, I gotta get going, guys. Let me turn the car off. Okay. Oh, I don't even have to. I don't know why I thought I had to step in the clutch. But yeah, let's get going, guys. I'll come back. Oh yeah, that's the crack right there. Look, you guys can see the little crack, which I'm gonna fix. Behind here, I have a 2014 Mitsubishi Evolution. With a nasty rock chip, you can see right there. But I did buy a Rainx kit. I'm gonna show you guys in a second. But this is a 2014 Mitsubishi Evo that we're gonna be repairing on. Let me show you guys a clip of a nasty cold start in the morning. Show you guys why my neighbors hate me, but I'll show you the interior. What a nasty freaking rock chip, yo. Let me show you guys the kit. I got it in the trunk. Okay. Alright guys, so here's the kit, the Rainx kit. Let me get this open. I'm gonna show you guys. I'm pretty sure you guys have seen multiple videos on how to do it, but let's unbox it. It's gonna be kind of difficult. My wrist is messed up, but I'm gonna try it. Ooh, okay, that's easy. Random dewalt. Okay, so here is the actual kit. You should get a razor blade in here. There you go. So here's your razor blade that it comes in your kit, and then you have the film. Obviously, once you're done, you put on the film. Instructions manual. If you guys wanna, oh, there's one more right there. Here's an instruction manual. If you guys wanna take a look at it, if you buy the kit, there it is. And then you get this. So first step, it will be to hit it with the razor blade. So let's go real quick. So the first step is to hit it with the razor blade, which we're gonna go and hit it. You can get your little stuff. So let's go hit it with the razor first and then wipe it off. Let's hit it with the knife, and then we're gonna wipe it off with a microfiber towel. Okay, I don't think this is necessary, but I grabbed I don't even know how long this thing is, but it's a long carbon fiber microfiber towel. We're gonna hit it with a knife, just get it in an angle so you can get all the little dust things off. Man, it's pretty big. I don't know if it's gonna be able to do it, but we'll check it out. Worth a try. I'm gonna leave the knife on the cowl. Just wipe it off. And then we're gonna be ready to hit it with the product. So like I said, will be to put this right in the middle. So let me put it right in the middle, and then I'll show you guys. That looks pretty good to me, guys. Look at that, right in the middle. I don't know if it's gonna zoom in or not, but I'll show you guys the inside. If it's gonna focus. Come on, focus camera. There you go. Crack should be right there, right on top of it. So let's go and put the little rod in it and start adding the solution. I'm supposed to put this right where the crack is. Is it right where the crack is? There you go. Right there. And then next is to add this. A couple of drops, 6 drops. Alright guys, so we have here, you just gotta cut it out with your knife to supply you and drop at least 6 drops. I'll do 4. It's not that big of a crack. Let me set it down real quick. Next, you gotta add this. Put it right in the middle. Apparently, you gotta turn it. So let's turn it all the way. Let's take a look how it looks inside. Okay, let me close that up real quick. Alright, I can see it in there. I don't know if you guys can see that well, because it's light. I see it in there. Just leave it chilling there for, it says 4 or 5 minutes, so we're gonna leave it chilling there. And then we'll come back, see how it is. Guys, this stuff kind of smells a little bit, but here we go. But let it chill there for a second. Alright guys, so it's been 4 minutes. Got some resin here, I don't know. I'll clean it off a little bit. But it's been 4 minutes. We're gonna unscrew the whole thing. I know, excuse all the cars, there's literally a highway right there. Let's take it off and then see how she's looking. Set it right here. and looks to be okay. We're gonna let it dry for one more second, then we gotta get the applicator pads or the little see-through pads. Which they provide right here, which I'm gonna use one. Actually, let me get a cleaner one because I don't know if it hit the ground or not. Okay, let me get this clean one. Blah. Okay, blah. There you go. Okay, so the instructions say after you're done, park it where the sun is. But I'm in the shade. Oh shoot! Of course it falls off. And you probably get a new one after that. But yeah, let's clean this up real quick and add some if we have to. I'm gonna put it right in between here. We use our little knife. Clean this off. Wipe it off real quick. I can already see that it's smaller, which is good. Wow, that's small. You can't even see the camera now. But there it is. It's still there though. Just here to add a little bit more. We're gonna add a little more. Let me set you guys here for a second. Gotta open it. I'm gonna add a little bit more, and then we're gonna add the little plastic thingy. There we go. Quickly grab your plastic and put it on top. Now this time you guys gotta wait for at least 10 to 15 minutes for it to dry off. While we do that, we're gonna start cleaning up. We're not gonna need this anymore, so we're gonna start cleaning up. We actually are gonna use this on my dad's Honda Odyssey, which has a crack on it. I'm gonna fix it for him, but all this should be returning back to where we got it. Put it right here. And our thingies. You might just use another one after if it's not that good, you know, we want to add it. But yeah, pretty much it. We'll see you guys back in 10 minutes. I don't know if you can tell where the crack is. There it is right there. Looks good to me, guys. I'm gonna add another I think we should add in one more just to be safe, and then I'm gonna leave it here drying. There we go, guys. I'll show you guys how it looks afterwards. But yeah, that's pretty much it, dude. I'm gonna put this back where it goes. Also this right here so I don't cut myself. And yeah, I'll see you guys I guess when this is done. Alright guys, it's been more than 15 minutes. Time to peel it off. You still see a little bit of a crack in there, but it's completely sealed. As you can, I can feel it's sealed. You can still see a little crack there. Probably gonna have to redo probably one more coat. But yeah, show you guys the inside. Leave that here so we don't litter. You can still see the crack there, guys. Didn't work. It did make it smaller though. I can say it's smaller, but it did not fix it. Probably have to do another coat later. But yeah, it did not work. Probably go retry it again, and I'll probably update you guys in another video. But I'm gonna do it here, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. If you guys don't know, this is my Evo. I do other mods. If you guys are just here for the thing, I also do modify this Evo. Alright, I'm gonna see you guys in a little bit. That's what we got. Have a good one.